Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the potentiometer and blade in your Thermomix TM31. This process requires specific tools and careful handling to ensure a successful repair. Let's get started. Tools you will need: 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A pair of pliers. 4. A cleaning brush. 5. A soft cloth. Step 1. Unplug the Thermomix. Before starting any repair, make sure to unplug the appliance to ensure your safety during the process. Step 2. Remove the base cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the Thermomix. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Gently lift off the base cover to expose the internal components. Step 3. Clean the interior. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the machine using a cleaning brush and soft cloth. This ensures that your Thermomix remains in excellent condition. Step 4. Locate the potentiometer. The potentiometer is typically located near the control panel. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness connected to it. If you don't have the tools to do this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. Step 5. Remove the old potentiometer. Unscrew the potentiometer from its housing using the Phillips screwdriver. Take note of how it is connected so you can install the new one correctly. Step 6. Install the new potentiometer. Position the new potentiometer in place and secure it with screws. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place. Step 7. Replace the blade. Next, locate the blade assembly. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it out. Clean the area around the blade seat thoroughly. If you need a new blade, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Step 8. Install the new blade. Position the new blade assembly into the seat and press it firmly until it locks in place. Check to ensure it is secure. Step 9. Reassemble the base cover. Once the blade and potentiometer are in place, reattach the base cover. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Step 10. Final cleaning. Wipe down the exterior of your Thermomix with a soft cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges that may have occurred during the repair. Step 11. Test your Thermomix. Plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to test if the new potentiometer and blade are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. Remember, we offer no calls, no travel, making it easy to get help. By following these steps, you should successfully replace the potentiometer and blade in your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance will help keep your appliance running smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.